Writing us from Hyderabad. He's got 3,000 shares of Vodafone Idea at an average price of 6.85 and wants to know if he can hold or add more. Swati, on the charts, your view?
See, the view is little bit cautious because the stock is under the consolidation phase from the 2025 onwards. Positive momentum can be seen only if it manages to give the breakout of 9.5 levels. Till the time, the view will remain a cautious. I will not suggest to add on the fresh long positions at the current market price. Whatever the position you have it, hold on by keeping a tight stop loss of 6.5. If it manages to come down to 9.5 to 10 levels, try to book your profits.
Okay, so that's with regards to where Vodafone Idea is concerned. We've got our next caller. Raj Basu is calling us from Kolkata. Raj, a very good morning to you. कैसे मदद करें आपकी?
गुड मॉर्निंग. मेरे को एक्चुअली जानना है कि मैं 6 मंथ के लिए मेरे को कुछ अच्छा स्टॉक, एक या दो स्टॉक जिसमें मैं 4 से 5 लाख रुपया इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ विद गुड रिटर्न.
ठीक है. ठीक है. एंड इससे पहले भी एक कॉलर ने हमें सेम क्वेरी पूछी थी और उनको भी स्वाति ने जवाब दिया था. बट मैं स्वाति के पास फिर से जाऊँ उसके पहले मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ये 5 लाख आपके टोटल पोर्टफोलियो का कितना परसेंटेज है?
ये नया मतलब पोर्टफोलियो है मेरा एक्चुअली.
अच्छा.
तो
मतलब आपका एक सेपरेट पोर्टफोलियो है बट ये नया इन्वेस्टमेंट है, आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं, करेक्ट? ठीक है. ओके, ठीक है राज. ठीक है, मैं ये स्वाति से फिर से पूछ लूँगी. स्वाति, यू गिवन अ होस्ट ऑफ स्टॉक्स दैट you suggested our viewer, but he is looking for only 1 or 2 stocks specifically. So out of those host of stocks, which 2 would you pick?
See, Voltas is the one counter one can definitely go into the long positions because we have already seen a retracement of 1800s to almost 1200 levels now. Currently, form has a very strong support levels and showing a upward rally in the near term futures. 1425 is the current market price. 1600 is the initial target. So definitely you can go for a long position into Voltas. And another interesting observations in a particular counter is from the emphasis. The weekly chart shows that the stock has given the formations to take up and handle formation, and it has given the breakout of those strong formations on the line charts. So this is the one counter one can definitely go for long positions at the current market price as well. 29